All right, so you should be getting ready by this weekend to hopefully have your literature review all written and be on to reviewing your drafts. As I've told you, the best way to review your draft is write it, step away from it for a day or two, come back to it, and read it aloud, not quietly, but aloud, slowly, one word at a time. Read throughout your whole paper. Then you start at the end. So you would start through, let's read this sentence, and then we're going to read this sentence, and then we're going to read this sentence. So that's our second time through, and we're going to go all the way to the top. And then the third time through, we're going to start at the bottom. We're going to read this sentence, and then we'll make a cross through it, or we highlight it. A lot of times you can highlight it like that. And then we're going to go and read a sentence in the middle, and we can highlight that. And then we're going to go read a sentence right here. So you're just picking out sentences throughout that you read. Also, another thing that you can do is if you go to, I'm on a MacBook here, but whether you're on a MacBook or a desktop, you have review and you have read aloud.
Communicator, less than,
So
and
you hear it?
self-assessment
Listen.
1.1 strengths and weaknesses greater than.
So you can put your mouse wherever you want to start, and then it will read it aloud. So let's hear.
The criminal justice career field is a very satisfying and enjoyable profession.
So this is another way to review. Now, some of you will pay attention. So if I spelt satisfying wrong, do you see that little red squiggly line? If you right click on it, it'll come up and tell you what's spelled wrong. And then you have blue and green lines for grammar and punctuation. So always go and right click on them. If you have a subscription to another program such as Grammarly, that can help you as well. But again, they're just tools. They're not going to do everything for you. A computer program cannot pick up everything. So on top of reviewing your own draft 3 times, taking it through Microsoft Word and another writing program, again, I highly recommend when we're in the face-to-face class, the Writing Center is required. Online, you can also email. And remember, they only do 1-hour sessions. And as you get your literature review, it can take a number of hours to go through it. All right, this is just a review of how to review your draft and do it a number of times.